Hi, this is Michael from Supermetrics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Supermetrics add-in for Microsoft Excel. To get started, open a new Excel workbook, either on your desktop version or Excel Online. Then go to the Insert tab and continue to the Add-ins section. In the Office Add-in Store, search for Supermetrics. To start the install, click on Add. From the pop-up, click on Continue. That's it. The Supermetrics add-in is now installed in Excel, and you can find it under the Data tab. Click on Show Supermetrics to launch the Supermetrics sidebar. Now log in with your Microsoft account and grant access to Supermetrics. You're now ready to start getting your data straight to Excel with Supermetrics.